The Honda Shine 125cc is one of the most popular commuter motorcycles in its segment. Known for its balance of style, comfort, and reliability, this bike is designed for everyday riders who want performance with fuel efficiency. In this first look and full review, let's explore the design, engine, features, and price of the Honda Shine 125. Design and styling. The Honda Shine 125cc comes with a clean and premium design. Its sleek fuel tank with bold graphics makes it look modern and stylish. The chrome highlights on the side give it a premium touch, while the sharp headlamp adds to its bold front look. The bike also features a comfortable single seat and alloy wheels, which make it both practical and attractive for daily commuting. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda Shine is a 125cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This engine is smooth, reliable, and very fuel-efficient. It produces enough power to handle city traffic with ease while still being comfortable for longer rides. Honda's advanced especially technology ensures better mileage and reduced vibrations, making the ride smooth and economical. Features. The Shine 125 comes with several practical features that make it stand out. It includes Honda's enhanced smart power, silent start with ACG, and an integrated engine kill switch. The bike also offers a 5-speed gearbox for smooth gear shifting. With tubeless tires, alloy wheels, and a strong braking system, safety and comfort are well balanced. Comfort and ride quality. Riding the Honda Shine is very comfortable, thanks to its soft seat and upright riding position. The suspension setup, with telescopic forks at the front and adjustable shocks at the rear, makes it ideal for bumpy city roads. It's lightweight and easy to handle, which is perfect for daily use. Price and value. The Honda Shine 125cc is priced competitively, making it a value-for-money commuter motorcycle. It gives a perfect mix of stylish looks, trusted Honda reliability, and excellent mileage. This makes it a great choice for students, office workers, and anyone looking for an affordable yet premium 125cc bike. Conclusion. The Honda Shine 125cc is a complete package for everyday riders. With its stylish design, smooth engine, advanced features, and attractive price, it is one of the best motorcycles in the 125cc category. If you are searching for a reliable and fuel-efficient bike with Honda's trusted quality, the Shine 125 is highly recommended.